today's video, let's talk about the parasites. What are the symptoms that our body gives if they are living in our body? And later we'll talk about their treatment, the herbs and the alternative stuff that can be helpful. Hi, my name is Dr. Vivek. Welcome to my YouTube channel. First and the most common one is if a person is suffering from itchy skin, and especially in the private parts or especially in the anal part. And that itching happens mostly at night. Then this is a big sign that your body has parasites, and this sign can be seen in the children also. So if your child is itching the anal part especially at the night, then this can be because of the parasites. It can be in the children, it can be in the adult people also. So this is a big clear sign. The second sign is if a person grinds the teeth in the sleep. Why this happens? Because the parasites, they can affect the nervous system also, and this can cause grinding effects. And I forgot to mention why that itching in the skin or in the anal canal happens at night. It is because these parasites are more active at the night. Many of the parents have told me that they have seen the parasites round to the anal skin at night on the day when they came for the treatment or for the consultation. I told them what happens, I explained everything, and at night when the kid was scratching and they just checked, and yes, even they saw the parasites over there. Before moving forward, just want to remind you about my 11 days Panchakarma retreat that is going to happen in Kerala from 18th of July to 29th of July. So if you are interested in detoxifying your body, or if you are looking forward for treatment from me, then see you in Kerala from 18th of July to 29th of July. If you are interested and if you want to know more, then the link I'll put in the description box down below. Also, I'll try to pin it in the comments box. If you need help, then see you in Kerala from 18th of July to 29th of July. Third symptom can be unknown iron deficiency. If you are eating right, you are doing everything good, but still you are suffering from iron deficiency, then can be because of the parasites. Because these parasites, they eat our macro and micronutrients. They eat all our vitamins and minerals, and they take the iron also from our body, and we will suffer from iron deficiency. The fourth one is extreme bloating happening after your meal. Even if you are eating right, you are trying to do everything perfect, but still after the food you are feeling severe gas, bloating happening, then this can be because of the parasites. Now, why because of the parasites? Because these parasites, they live in our small intestine, causing all of these gut related issues. The last one is if you are too much craving for sugar. This was not over there, but from a short period of time you are feeling that you are craving too much of sugar, then this can be because of the parasites. Yes, sugar craving also happens because of the stress, but if there is not so stress in your life and you are still craving for the sugar, then the reason can be parasites. Now let's talk about the treatment. See, what I have seen in my practice is a person who suffers from the parasite is a person who has disturbed pH in the stomach. The pH of our stomach should be acidic. So the first line of defense is your good acidic stomach. And no, acidity is always not because of high acid in your stomach. It can be because of the low acid in your stomach, especially the acid refluxes. I have a whole different video about this where I have explained why it happens. If you are interested, I'll put the link down below in the description box. You can have a look. But right now, let's focus just on the parasites. So parasites can be because of the disturbed pH of the stomach. So in this, adding apple cider vinegar to your meal or to your salad, or drinking apple cider vinegar water every single day can be helpful. At least drink it for 10 to 15 days and then see how much relief do you have with the symptoms. How to make the apple cider vinegar water? Just take 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, add it to a glass of warm water and drink it with the help of a straw one time in a day. That's going to be in the morning, empty stomach, or in the daytime whenever you feel more gas or bloating, or you feel discomfort in your stomach. Even apple cider vinegar can be taken at night also. But always remember to dilute it, then consume it. Now let's talk about the most powerful spice. That's clove. Clove is awesome. It is very effective in the treatment against parasites. Clove can be added to your cuisine, to your food, and can be consumed in this way. If you want, you can make the clove water. Just take few cloves, boil them and make the water of it, and you can drink this water. Consuming a little bit amount of clove every single day without going crazy behind the clove is going to be helpful. Because if you will be consuming too much of clove, then it's going to be not good for your health and not good for your gut. The same goes with the water. If you will be drinking too much of water, it's bad for your health. You will be eating too many apples. We say apple a day keeps a doctor away, it's healthy. If you will overdo it, for sure, it is going to give you the side effects. The same with the cloves. So eating 2 to 3 cloves every single day, it's okay. And even you can make the water of the cloves also. So in this way, you can use cloves and this will be helpful. You can use clove powder also in your cuisine. See how you are comfortable and use clove. Now, if you talk about the Ayurvedic herbs or the Ayurvedic medicines that can be helpful, then there is a medicine called Krimi Kuthar Ras. Krimi Kuthar Ras is generally taken 2 tablets in the morning, 2 tablets in the evening after your meal. And the course is for a month. Correct your diet, correct your pH, add Krimi Kuthar Ras, it will be helpful. But there is another medicine named as Krimagna Vati. So either you can take Krimagna Vati or you can take Krimi Kuthar Ras. See which is easily available near to you. Use any one of it. I'm not saying to use both of it. So use any one and use it for a month. And if you want to add something more, then there's a powder known as Vai Vidang or Vidang. It's an herbal powder, just single herb, that's Vidang or known as Vai Vidang. 1 teaspoon in the morning, 1 teaspoon in the evening, can be taken empty stomach or 30-40 minutes after your meal. Vai Vidang can be taken for 2 months continuously. It is specifically given to the patients who have skin issues. Even to the skin issues patients, I give it for 3 months also. Ayurveda says if there is any kind of skin issues, then parasites are always involved. So Vai Vidang is one of the best choices. So you can take for a month or 2 and maybe this will be helpful for you. But the powder is not tasty. So you have to be ready to take the powder. It can be mixed in the glass of water, 1 teaspoon, mix it in a glass of water and then drink it. Either just take it in your mouth and just drink the water. So see how you are comfortable. You can take Vai Vidang powder. Or you can just take the cloves, the apple cider vinegar and Krimi Kuthar, and this can be also enough if you are not having skin issues. So these are some of my general tips that can be helpful. This is my experience with the treatment of the parasites. I've seen that these things work. That's why I decided to share with you people also. I hope today's video will be helpful for you. See you in next video with a big smile. Up to that time, smile more, stay happy, stay healthy.